Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 40i, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible on the display right now. Once that is the case, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash along with the pop-up with two options for a scrollable screenshot and share. Now that scrollable screenshot was grayed out because scrolling down doesn't actually here act as scrolling down, it just opens up our app tray. But as an example, in the settings you can scroll down, so this option should be now accessible and for some reason automatically turned on. That's kind of odd. But in any case, that's kind of how it looks like. You'd typically press on that button to start capturing a scrollable screenshot. Once you tap on the screen, it will stop it, and you can then, edit this yourself, how far down you want it to go, and click on the save option to actually save that. Once that is the case, you can navigate to your Photos application. Oops. There we go. And a library. And in here you should have a screenshot folder. And you can see there, you can see the two screenshots that I have captured. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.